What's going on, guys? It's your boy JB, and welcome to week number 14 of the Chris Sain 100K challenge. As you can see on the screen, it is Friday, April 2nd. Hope everybody had a phenomenal week. But before we get into it, you know how we do it. If you'd like to help yourself out to 2 free stocks, click the link down below in the description to help yourself out and sign up for Webull. But without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into the tracker. So as you can see, guys, your boy is down about 13% currently right now for this challenge. And as Chris said, very looking forward to things starting to shift into our favor in the next week or so. I want to say in about 4 to 6 weeks, we should be like really looking good by that point across the board. So just to show you where I'm at currently, if you're new to the series. So right now I have a fully built out position for APXT with 125 shares. Hall of Fame, which is one that I picked up myself, that's fully built out at 125. And then Tattooed Chef is at 125 as well. I'm not sure if I want to buy any more shares. I might just, again, like he says, kick back with your feet up and just wait for things to shift. But I'm really looking at GNOG right now, because as you can see, your boy's currently at 50 shares. So again, yeah, I don't know yet. I don't know what I want to do, but as of right now, I'm just going to be chilling and then wait for the shift for the next 1 to 2 weeks, and then see what plays that he has rolling out that he has designated for home runs. So that's currently where I'm at right now with my portfolio on the tracker. Again, if you're new, this doesn't count after hours. So here in a minute, we're going to dive into my app. That way you guys can see like share for share or stock for stock. You can see where I'm at. But also too, guys, I don't know if you guys got into this or not, but so Chris actually provided us with 2 options last week, and let's see, I got into 2 of them with Neo in Citigroup, and then I made $1 profit on Neo. So technically I'm in the green, so it's all good. I didn't lose anything off that one. And then with Citigroup, I don't know why it says Chris. With Citigroup, I'm still in play with that one. It expires 4/16. And right now I think I'm up $2, but we're gonna double check both of these here in a second. And so yeah, I bought it at 92, sold at 93, made it $1 on that one. So I think I'm still in the green so far in this challenge in terms of option plays. Let's see, Genius Brands, Sandel Growers, those are long plays. Let's see, as you can see, they expire in 2022. Nano, that one's about to expire. GNOG is right around the corner at 4/16. Then BNGO 5/21 as well. So I still have high hopes, but you just never know with options. They can just plummet in a matter of seconds. But I'm really looking forward to, again, the next 2 or 3 weeks to see how these options play out as well. Going to the deposits, your boy did not deposit any money this week. I will show you here in a second as we dive into my tracker, dive into my app. I'm going to show you guys again all the transactions that I've made for this challenge. That way you guys know that I'm not lying. But as of right now, I've deposited $44.50 into my account. So, but that's that. So let's go ahead and dive into the details inside my app. So yeah, guys, as you can see on your screen, your boy's up 86.95.29. For the week, I'm up 1.68%. Buying power is at 435.18. Let's go ahead and scroll down. GNOG, which expires 4/16. I'm down 83.44% in GNOG. Well, this option I am. Going to Citigroup, scroll on down. I'm only up $2, up 1.85% on that one. Again, 4/16 date on that one. So hopefully it starts shifting in the right direction in the next week, so I can hurry and get out of it. BNGO, I'm down 150 in this one, so 53.76%. Nano, down 173, 165, or 65.78% on that. Then Sundial Growers down 35%. And then Genius Brands, I'm down 21.88% in that one. Here are my stocks. Again, if you're new, the top 4 do not pertain to this challenge. Everything that you see on the screen now does, from Apple all the way down. And again, my heavy hitters are down below at the bottom, where you see APXT, Tattooed Chef, and Hall of Fame, and GNOG going into Hall of Fame. I'm up about 30% in this one, not too shabby. Tattooed Chef for the week, I'm up 1.76%. Again, I'm down 21.96% on this one. Then APXT for the week, I'm down 2.36%, down 25% in APXT. And then GNOG for the week, not too bad, 3.26%, but still down 26.5 overall on that one. And let's go ahead and dive into the wallet. Hit show more transfers. Now you guys can see exactly what I deposited into my account. Let's go back. And then crypto, not really any movement on Dogecoin. I don't know what the whole plan was for that. I don't know why everybody said to get it, but it's been at a standstill for a while now. But nevertheless, it's all good. But yeah, again, 86.95. Now just moved to 45. But so yeah, guys, that's all I have inside the app. I hope you guys got value out of this. Hope you guys are tracking. I hope you guys are doing well. Matter of fact, let me know how you guys are doing in terms of like overall portfolio in this challenge. Kind of curious where everybody stands. But if you like the video, give your boy that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell while you're at it, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.